Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to run without following your full training plan, Runna lets you start instant workouts anytime. These are quick structured sessions you can launch on the spot, perfect for flexible schedules. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to use instant workouts in Running 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, instant workouts allows you to start a run immediately, choose a structured session, follow guided intervals, and track your performance. So think of them as quick ready to run sessions. Okay, so first thing first, open the Runna app, log into your account, make sure GPS and permissions are enabled. Okay, so go to instant workouts. So from the main screen, tap instant workouts. Then browse the available sessions. So this section shows ready to start workouts. Okay, select a workout such as run easy, okay, easy run, okay, interval session, tempo run, recovery run. So tap the workout to view details. Okay, and pick the session that fits your goal, tap start workout, choose your device, okay, phone or watch, and begin the run. So the app will start tracking immediately. Okay, during the workout, Runna will show pace and distance, guide intervals, provide audio or vibration cues, track time and effort. Okay, so follow the cues for best results. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.